So you can see right here on the right hand side that these are all grouped. This is grouped. So we're going to hit ungroup. And then this will be the snowman. And then this part is the part that we want to score. So we're going to go ahead and ungroup it again. And now you can see the cardstock here, and then this right here should be a score line. So you can just select this. And you can see how it's green. We're going to go up to operations, change it to score. And then we're going to go ahead and press the control key and then click on the bottom cardstock right there and hit attached. So now that is attached. We're going to do the same thing with these as well. So you can see here they're grouped. So we're going to go ahead up here, ungroup, and then this part here is what we want to score. So we need to hit ungroup, and here's the line that is a cut we need to change to score. So we're going to go ahead, select score, hit the control key, select the next one and attach. So this one is all set, and we're going to go ahead and do the other two, and then we're going to go ahead and cut it out. So let me go ahead and do this really quick. Okay, so now let's go ahead and hit save, hit make it, on the mat, confirm, and let's see, we're going to need wow, that's a lot. Okay, so what I'm going to do here, so just to make it easier for myself, I'm going to go ahead, select this one, and put move, and we're going to go ahead and move it over here and hit confirm, because the less the best for me when I'm cutting it. So we need to drag this, and we're going to rotate it. And then let's see if we can, so we got rid of this. So let's see if we can go ahead and do this one as well. Move this here, confirm, drag this down, and last one, we'll do move right over here, confirm. Okay, so I'm just going to do all white because that will make it a lot easier. And then we're getting rid of these two. And then this black, let's see, is here, and let's see what this black is. Yeah, we're just going to do the same black. So let's move this here, and let's go back here. Let's do move. Oh, to this one. Okay, and this. Let's go back here, move the last one. Okay, so now we're just doing one piece cardstock of black, and then let's see about the red. Let's and I'm going to do the same thing with the red. We're going to move this over here, and let's rotate this. All right, and let's check the rest. So this one's good, orange, and blah, blah, blah. Okay, good. So now we're just using one white cardstock, one black, one red, and then the other colors. So let's go ahead and hit continue. And I'm going to use cardstock for intricate cuts. We're going to need a scoring tool. I'm going to go ahead and grab the cardstock, and we'll be right back. So we have all the colors, so we're ready to go. Let's move this aside. We're going to go ahead and start with the white. So let's just move this part aside. You'll just want to place it on the mat. And I love to use the brayer because it just helps it stay. It adheres better to the mat. And I also like to use Cricut mat that is kind of older and not super sticky, because you don't want to rip the cardstock pulling it off or anything like that. So that's my little trick. And this stays pretty good, but sometimes I like to use tape too, just so when it goes through, it doesn't come up. So I always like to do a little bit of tape on the corners. That should be good. We're gonna score first, so let's grab the scoring tool, which is just like this, number 1, and we're gonna open this. Okay, so the trick for the cardstock is flipping it over and then slowly just kind of peeling it off, just like so. And we cut everything. I just have them in piles. This is Santa's red outfit, Snowman, Santa Claus, and the elf. And I'm going to use Barely Art glue. This is my absolute favorite glue. You honestly only have to use a little bit. I've had this, I want to say, 1.5 years. So you only use a little bit and it goes a long way and it sticks really well. So I just put the lid on this. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and start with the snowman, and we're gonna go ahead and fold it on the score lines, okay? And this is, all this is going to do is you fold these in. We're gonna glue here, and then we're just gonna go ahead and place it just like that. Super easy. These are all gonna be super easy. So let's go ahead and we're gonna close it. And I also love to use a popsicle stick just to help reinforce it. So let me grab that. Okay, and we're just gonna kind of go over it. Okay, just like that. Go ahead and put his eyes on. Just do a little dot here. Make sure you guys can see this. Okay, and we're gonna do the nose. Let's do dot, 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 and dot. These are so tiny. Just like that. And then this one we are going to glue right in the middle, right here. Take the square one, the rectangle, just place it right on top. Let's go ahead and glue this on. And we'll go ahead and put this one on. So that's super cute. And then the gift card will go right here. So let's set this one aside to dry. You can tell where I messed up a little bit because I moved his mouth, but that's all right. Now we're gonna go ahead and do this one. Let's go ahead and do the exact same thing. We're gonna fold it on the score line. You want to reinforce it. So it is just like this. So we're going to go ahead and take this and put glue on it. Place it just like this. Next, we are going to use this. Place that about right there. And this one's super cool. It has this where it's, you know, like the little cut edge. And that's kind of just like this, really detailed, cute. It took me a little bit to figure out what that was. So cute. And then right there, gift card. We'll let it dry. We're gonna go ahead and let's do this one next. All right, next we're gonna do Santa's face. Same thing, we're gonna go ahead, fold on the score line. Okay, so we're just like that. So we're gonna glue this on here. Next, this one. This will go like this. This will go right underneath. Okay, so let's go ahead and isn't that so cute? Look at that. And then there. Last one. Okay. It's here. Then here. Then here. Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up so I know you want to see more videos like this. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss out on any of my crafty fun videos. And thanks again for watching, you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.